Okay, good morning. First year students, మీకు కెమికల్ బాండింగ్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్లో ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ అది ఇక్కడ దాకా ఓవర్. కెమికల్ బాండింగ్లో మీకున్న టాపిక్స్ రెస్పర్ థియరీ, ఎంఓటి, హైబ్రిడైజేషన్ ఇక్కడ దాకా మీకు కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. చిన్న చిన్న మైనర్ ఉన్నాయి మీకు ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్, ఇవి 1 క్లాసెస్లో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి ఆర్బిటాల్ షేప్స్ అవి ఉన్నాయి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి. Now go to P block elements. P block elements. P block elements. What is P block elements? Periodic table. This is the periodic table model diagram. Periodic table model diagram. So one is S block, P block, D block, D block. So one is F block. So this is the model diagram of periodic table. Now we are discussing about this one, P block elements. P block elements. What about P block elements? P block elements. The elements in which the differentiating electron, enter into the p orbital. The differentiating electron enter into the p orbital is called p block elements. That means కొత్తగా వచ్చే ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఎక్కడ ఫిల్ అవ్వాల్సి ఉంటుంది? p ఆర్బిటాల్లో ఫిల్ అవ్వాల్సి ఉంటుంది. p ఆర్బిటాల్లో ఫిల్ అయ్యే ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అన్ని కూడా p బ్లాక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ ఏమని చెప్తుంది చూడండి, ద డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్, ద డిఫరెన్షియేటింగ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ enter into the p orbital is called p block elements. Next point, the general electronic configuration of p block elements. The general electronic configuration of p block elements, that is ns2 np1 to ns2 np6, లేకుంటే దీన్ని మనం ns2 np1 to 6 అంటారు. These two are the main introduction points of p block elements. Once again I repeat, what about p block elements? P block element, the differentiating electron enter into the p orbital is called as p block elements. The general electronic configuration of p block elements, ns2 np1 to 6. This is the general electronic configuration of p block elements. ఎందుకు ns2 np1 to ns2 np6? Because of p orbitals, p block elements, అంటే ఐ మీన్ p block groups ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. 13th, 14th group, 15th group, 16th group, 17th group and 18th. 13th group, 14th group, 15th group, 16th group, 17th group and 18th group. అర్థమవుతుందా? టోటల్ 6 groups. ఎందుకు 6 groups ఉంది? జనరల్గా p orbitals 3 orbitals. p orbitals are 3. px, py, pz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 electrons. p groups అన్ని కూడా ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి చూడండి, 6 groups ఉన్నాయి. The 3 orbitals, p groups are 30 or 13th. First one. Second group, 4th 4th or 14th. Third one, 5th or 15th. Fourth one, 6th or 16th. Fifth group, 7th or 17th. Last one, 0 group inert gases. Inert gases are 18. There are 6 groups. So the general electronic configuration is Ns2Np 1 to 6. For 13th group, the general electronic configuration Ns2Np 1. For 14th, Ns2Np 2. For 15th, Ns2Np 3. For 15th, 16th, Ns2Np 4. For 17th group, Ns2Np 5. For 18th, Ns2Np 6. These are the individual electronic configuration of all the p groups. The overall general electronic configuration is Ns2Np 1 to 6. This is the introduction. Continuing once again, I repeat. What about p block elements? The differentiating electron enter into the p orbital is called p block elements. The general electron configuration of p block elements Ns2Np 1 to 6. Ns2Np 1 to 6. There are 6 groups are involved in p block elements. 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th are inert gases. The individual electronic configurations of different groups are these. Now, next goes to individual groups and elements. Third group, third A or 13th group. Third A or 13th group, the name are boron family. Boron family. P block elements lo first group ni ఒకసారి explain. A elements ni individual explain. Element number 1 boron. Number 2 aluminum. Number 3 boron, aluminum, gallium. Number 4 indium. Number 5 thallium. Symbol B. Symbol for aluminum Al, gallium Ga, indium In, thallium Tl. Electronic configuration, individual electronic configuration after helium. Helium electronic configuration 1s2. So after helium 2s2, 2p1. The differentiating electron enter into the pr. Then after neon 3s2, 3p1. After argon, after argon 3d10, 4s2, 4p1. Shell number increase అవుతుంది. Second shell, third shell, fourth shell. After krypton 4d10, 5s2, 5p1. After xenon 4f14, 6d10, 6d10, 5d10, 6 5d10, 6s2, 6p1. These are the general electron configuration of 13th group. The whole general electron configuration of 13th group ns2 np1, n equal to up to 2 to 6. So, what are the ns2 this is the 13th group or third or boron family. Next one, 14th group. Note this column. 14th group elements are 4th A group. 4th A or 14 or carbon family. Carbon family. Carbon family. Elements: carbon, silicon, carbon, silicon, germanium, germanium, tin and lead, tin and lead. Symbol of carbon C, symbol of silicon Si, symbol of germanium Ge, Sg, symbol of tin Sn, symbol of lead Pb. These are the symbols. Now go to electronic configuration. Carbon after helium 2 complete, 2s2, 2p. Silicon after neon 3s2, 3p. Germanium after argon 3d10, 4s2, 4p. Tin krypton after krypton 4d10, 5s2, 5p2. Xenon 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p. These are the individual electron configuration of 14th group. Now let us go to general electron configuration of 14th group. ns2 np4, ns2 np4, ns2 np2, ns2 np2. This is the individual electron configuration of 14th group. Next goes to 5th group, 5th A group or 15th group are nitrogen family. Nitrogen family. The elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, phosphorus and antimony, bismuth, sorry, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Arsenic, antimony. Next, bismuth. Nitrogen, N. Phosphorus, P. Arsenic, Ac and actinium. So AS. Antimony, Sp. Bismuth, Ba. Just simple. Same electron configuration. 2p3, 3p3, 5p3 here also 6. Now general electron configuration is NS2. This is the individual electron configuration of fifth to 8 group elements or nitrogen family. Next, 68 group or 16th group. Then you want to know oxygen family. Oxygen family. Oxygen family. You want to know oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and last one is polonium. Oxygen, O, sulfur, S, selenium, Se, tellurium, Te, polonium, Te. Individual electron configuration is 4, 3p, 4, 4p, 4, 5p, 4, then 6p, 4. General electron configuration is NS2np. Individual electron configuration of oxygen family. Next goes to last one side. Last but not least, 7th. 16th. 7th or 70th group. దీన్ని మనము halogens. All the halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, bromine, iodine. Last one is astatine. Astatine. Symbol of fluorine, F. Fluorine, Cl. Bromine, Br. Iodine, I. Astatine, At. Something. 80. Like it. Electron configuration, just 5. 2s2 2p5, 3s2 3p5, 4p5, 5s2 5p5, 6s2. That is overall general electron configuration is NS2np. Most important one, general electron configuration definitely they should have average. Last one, 18th group. 18th or 0 or inert gases. Explain. Elements are helium, number 2, neon, number 3, argon, number 4, krypton, number 5, xenon, number 6, radon, These are the 6 elements. For helium, He. For neon, Ne. For argon, Ar. For krypton, Kr. For xenon, Xe. For radon, Rn. For general electron configuration is the electron configuration of helium 1s2. For neon, same. After helium 2s2 2p6. For argon, after neon 3s2 3p6. For krypton general electron configuration after argon 3d10 4s2 4p6. For xenon, after krypton 4d10 5s2 5p6. For radon, after xenon 4s14 5d10 6s2 6p6. The overall general electron configuration is ns2 np6. These are the individual electron configuration of the p block groups. Thank you.